Hello everyone, welcome back to another 3 Minutes of 3.
Today we're going to talk about working from home routine.
So, getting into a routine when you are working at home is a huge thing when you are running a small business. It is too easy for people in your life and you yourself and life in general to get in the way of you running your small business or your little small enterprise. It is also a habit of working too much in your business and not taking enough time of enjoying the fact that you have a small business and you can get away and have a little more freedom than if you had to punch a clock for a living. So
Yes,
yeah,
definitely.
so a routine is very crucial.
Yeah. One thing that comes to mind that we have happen a lot is because we do work at home, people think that they can call us any time of day, family members, or
They can
just
visit
whoever.
any time of day. They can just drop in and say, "Hey, what you doing?" Any time of day. And that's just really not acceptable.
Right, you have to
when you're
outline-
busy. Yeah.
You have to outline the boundaries for those people and, just explain to them, it might be your family members or whatever, but, I don't mean any offense to you, but this is my working time between, up until 5 or 6 o'clock or whatever you designate as your working time. I'd be happy to see you if you'd like to come over on, the evenings or on the weekends, but I am running a business and I have work to do and I need to focus during these times.
And you can do that real gentle, with that, and you can use a little bit of candor there, and just be nice, be genuine about it. No needing just scratching a line in the sand type deal, and it'll take them a while to catch on, and eventually everybody will understand. They're like, no, they're really running a business. I don't want to intrude. So yeah, some good personal boundaries there. One of the other things about the routine and where it's healthy to have a good routine strategy is, when it comes to not bringing your work home with you. See, so you work, when you work from home, it's real easy for that to get intermingled throughout the entire day, no matter what you're doing. And so it's really important for you to be present in the moment that you're in. If you're at your kid's softball game, be at your kid's softball game. Don't be answering emails and stuff. Wait until your kid's in bed. You can answer emails later if you want to use your own time for that. But be in the moment and be present at whatever you're doing. If you're in the shower, be present in the shower. If you're if you're on the elliptical cycle, be present on the elliptical cycle, working out.
Yeah, one way we define this kind of for us is after dinner, at some point we go on a family walk just out in our driveway and around the house, and that's kind of a good breaking point. Like, okay, now it's work's over, now it's time to just enjoy being with the kids and relaxing.
Yeah. And then after the kids go to bed, sometimes we'll still opt into doing some more business for the day. And usually our cutoff for that is around midnight. We don't like to run into 1 a.m. if we can keep from it. Some days it dictates it, but for the most part, we try to hold to this. So thank you all for watching this video. That's going to be it for this 3 Minutes of 3.
And thank you for joining us.
And as always, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.